What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Back once again to talk about something from KYRIE. I'm excited to talk about the KYRIE 7. Hopefully you guys are excited to see what's going on with this shoe. We are talking about the Hendrix colorway. Let me know your thoughts and opinion on the KYRIE 7 overall. Do you guys like this more than the previous silhouettes? And also, if this is not your favorite silhouette so far, what is your favorite KYRIE? Without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into this box and the shoes, you dig? So first, as you can see, the box is all black. This is much different from how KYRIE boxes have been in the past, usually very colorful. This one's all black with the red hinge. You guys see the KYRIE right there on the front top of the box, if you will. I'm curious to know though, you know, last year with the KYRIE 6, they had the preheat pack. If this is a part of the preheat or if this is just separate, will this be the KYRIE 7 box the whole time, or is this just a special edition? This right here retail for $140 and the other models retail for $130. The black and white colorway and one other colorway retail, the sisterhood colorway retail for $130. These were $140. So I'm curious to see how that's going to pan out. But without further ado, let's get into the shoes, you dig? Box is black with the KYRIE logo, Nike branding here. KYRIE 7 on the side of the box, and then on the other side, of course, you have the size. I went to a size 13. I did try these on, and in store, it felt like these were great. That like the 13 was cool, and I can go true to size. After I try them on again, when we do the on foot part of the video, I will give you guys a update to make sure that that is the case, and that you don't need to go up a whole size or a half a size, depending on your foot size. The box is crazy. Usually it's more colorful, like I said, but this time the colorful design is on the inside of the box. Let me know if you guys are liking that, but it has a lot of detailing of, you know, different symbols and things that we've seen on previous KYRIEs. Let me know what your favorite part of the box is, like on the inside, if that is something that, you know, if you're somebody out there who collects boxes or keeps your box or just really appreciate the packaging that the shoes come in, and give me your feedback on that. But now we get into the shoes. These things are crazy, bro. I cannot say that enough. I was very excited and happy to know that the Hollywood and Highland location Foot Locker had these, because they did not have any of the preheat pack, which I thought they would. So without further ado, man, I'm gonna pull these things out, bro. And these are crazy. Like I said in one of my previous vlogs, you guys saw me pick them up, so I did see them in person. But these are very, very dope and very light too. And I tried this one on to make sure we were good. Let me get the other shoe out the box. So the color scheme is Active Fuchsia Black Ghost, which is something different. This shoe is crazy. Now this one here is deemed to be called the Hendrix, which, you know, makes me feel like it's representing Jimi Hendrix. This right here is really, really dope. I'm a fan of this shoe. If you guys have any information you guys want to fill us in the comment section below, please go ahead and do so. The traction on this thing is something very different and unique from what I've seen on previous KYRIEs. I'm curious to see how this actually goes when you play on the court. I feel like this might be good for outdoors also, which is very fire. So if you're somebody who plays outdoors, these KYRIEs feel like, I believe they can last a little bit. It's kind of a tire marking on the bottom. It looks like tire marks, like maybe ATV wheels or something like that, which is just something different by the look of it. I think it's pretty dope. The colorway of the upper, of course, you have nothing but mesh usually. That's what KYRIE does. I'm a fan of the shoe. The purple with the kind of wave underneath it is really dope and unique. The color scheme is crazy. It just goes perfectly with what KYRIE does in all of his shoes, man. I cannot say this enough. The insole and the sock liner is that it's like a totally different, I don't even know, like an orange almost. KYRIE 7 HO20. A lot of different things on the insole. Let me go ahead and take that out. Is it easy to? I don't usually like to take out my insoles if it's not too easy. Yeah, I'm not trying to pull that off because I'm just not gonna do it. But I'll show you guys up close and personal visuals of the insole so you guys can see that also. But this color scheme is just crazy. Let me know what you guys think about the shoe overall from a 1 to 10 scale. This shoe right here is something in itself, and I'm excited to put these things on. So you will be getting an on feet with these, as well as the highlights of the shoe, which will be up close and personal visuals of this shoe. I can't even talk. I'm so excited about these things. They're very dope. I'm really surprised about the light weight of it. It's usually has a little bit more weight to it. These things are really, really light. And, you know, so many more colorways to come. You know how Nike and KYRIE does. I'm curious to see what other collabs will be coming with this. Will there be another cereal pack? Will there be another SpongeBob pack? Let me know what you guys think that they will be doing with this Kyrie 7, and I definitely think you guys should try it out. The retail on this one, like I said, was $140, but I believe normally they'll be about $130, and it just remains to be seen what other colorways will be coming, man. Without further ado, I'm about to get out of here, but we're gonna get to the highlights. And then on feet, leave me all your comments and feedback in the comment section. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Without further ado, let's get into the shoe, you dig?